Okay, let's get started. How's everybody doing tonight? So I have YouTube up and I have Twitch up. Put out all my notifications. So it should be good to go. It's getting colder here too. Masawa getting nice and cold. So I'm slotted for a good 3-hour stream. I'm gonna try to make this my new regular stream time. I'm gonna try. We'll see if this works out and if people like it, but this is, I think, what I'm gonna do for my new stream times. So, see how this works out. Okay, so I tried to get this dismemberment stuff to work. I can't get it to work. I have no clue what's going on. I checked our previous project. Nothing is wrong. I checked it the way that it says to check it, and it worked. So I don't know if I'm not, like, if the gore component's not being initialized properly. I really don't know. So the only thing I can think of is, like, we do it somewhere weird, like, so that way it's just not even there. You know what I mean? Like, maybe even on begin play, I just pop his head off, right? So what if I do that? Let's do that real quick. Just to try it, right? So on gore, I'm gonna do dismember limb. And I'm just gonna pop his head off. Right? Head underscore 01. And we're gonna give it 500 in the Z. So it should just fly up. As soon as it spawns in, it should just fly up and pop his head off. In theory. Hey, Fast Web Creations, how's it going, brother? Good to see you. So if this works, all their heads should have popped off, but none of their heads popped off. So what this is telling me, and I've been kind of suspecting this, is I don't think these are getting the updates. Like, I legit don't think they're getting the updates. I don't know if this player is going through. Like, I don't know that the subclasses are getting this. Like, they should, right? You would think these are all children, because this is not the player character, and that's the player character here. So I could try here, but this says on death event pull from parent, right? And on begin play pull from parent, and I have the gore component here. Everything's set up the exact same way. So this is the part I'm confused on. Like, what am I doing wrong? You know? So let's try it here. Let's just try it here. So on begin play, let's do dismember limbs. Let's do head 01, and then we'll do 500. So this is on the player character. So if this works, and it's not, like, I don't get it. I don't get what I'm doing wrong. That's the part I'm confused on. I really don't get what I'm doing wrong. And it works everywhere else. So I don't know if there's something I did wrong with the character. I don't know if there's something I'm doing wrong with the mesh. Because according to him, all I have to do, so I'll just force delete this real quick. According to the tutorial guide, all I have to do is I right click on this bad boy, I go to specified, create full rig, and it does it for me, right? And so supposedly this is in the background creating my rig, supposedly. Maybe it crashed. Normally it doesn't take that long. Yeah, definitely normally not supposed to take that long. Okay, there we go. So it finished. Let's see. Microphone's good. Everything's good. Just checking. I forgot to kind of check all the stuff. I got sidetracked. So I'm not going to touch anything. I'm just going to leave it alone. I'm going to hit save. Right? Because that's what he said to do. Now play. And then what I got to do. Oh, crap. I forgot. I can't. That's not the only thing I can do. Right. So let me open this asset up. This works. Like he has upper arm underscore L. I don't understand that part. I don't get. But if I go to this character, then I got to go to my blueprint, right? And inside of my blueprint, for the gore component, I have to actually do some crap. So dismembered anim instance, I choose play your body one, and I hit compile and save. And then that should propagate to all the sub ones, but it only goes to character NPC and character player, right? Which is fine. Those two parents derive the other ones. And so player character, if I go to player, open that, player character should be good. I go to gore component and that should be good. So everything here, I can't spell pelvis right. Jesus, maybe that's my problem. I don't know how to spell pelvis. Pelvis. I spell it right here too? No, I didn't. Maybe that's my problem. Your boy is over here not able to spell right. That would be an interesting reason why this is not working. I would actually laugh. Okay. According to him, that's what works. And it worked. So my body died. It worked. Ish. Okay. Ish. That's kind of interesting. Okay. So this is interesting. I might have found my problem. And my problem is I can't spell. Okay, so then we're gonna go here. Let's go to, where's my on death, right? So I'm gonna put this event right here. Okay. And so then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pull from the on hit, so my point damage, I'm going to pull the bone name. Going on, Mega. And then the impulse is going to be my hit normal. With, crap. I'm just gonna leave it 500 for right now. Let's do this. Okay, so when I kill a creature, yeah, well, that's how it gets whenever you get real complex, homie. Okay, so in theory, I equip my bad boy up. Let's go get some stuff so I can do some damage. Actually, I want that one right there. Let's go kill this guy. Okay, so in theory, when I kill him, yeah, oh damn, did that crash? It did crash. Okay, so it worked, and it also crashed. Okay, I got it to work now. But where is the crash? Okay, so let me put this in the chat to them. So it's now working. I got it working, which is cool. Okay, so I gotta go put this in notes. And so if I'm looking at this crash tells me engine source async fundamental task. It's dealing with my private async fundamentals, core templates, function, scheduler, browsing thread, morph anim node, morpher. So it looks like it's morpher that's causing the problem. No, I know you can't see the crash. I have desktop protection on, so basically you can't see my desktop, you can only see the app. And the app's reloading right now. So here's the next thing we're gonna do. We're gonna take off Morpher and see if it crashes. No, I don't need that. Okay, so let's take off Morpher. So then to do that, I go to the main character. Okay, and so we have Morpher here. We're just gonna take Morpher off. And that should propagate to... Why didn't... Okay, I was gonna say, it should have propagated to all the other actors. Looks like it did. Okay, cool. Now, I should be able to hit play. Whoa, what's the problem? Why is that failing? Why is there a hard reference to... Fuck. Value is undetermined and unrecorded. Okay, well that's a... I don't understand why there's a hard reference to the arena controller in there. Like, oh, okay. So it's got a default class. That's why. Okay, we're gonna. Can I clear this? Can I make it none? Now it's errored out because it doesn't have an instigator. I don't know. We're not using this. It says old. I don't know. He's got a character reference in there somewhere. He's got a hard reference, and so every time I update these characters, it's like asking for it. I have 2. I need 3. So the third monitor that I want to have is going to be over there to have all my crap, because right now I have my main monitor, and then right here underneath me in this area is my touchpad that I can touch on and do everything. That's where I currently have all my streaming stuff. I want to make that clear, and I want to move that over there. Yeah. I need to get another arm. They're $200. So once I get that other arm, I'll buy that other arm, the Elgato ones. I'll put that over there. I'll have my 2 monitors up here so I can have my streaming crap on that monitor, and then I'll have my drawing monitor clean, and then I'll have my editor. But then the problem I'm gonna have is the microphone, which is right here. You can't see it because I've got it framed correctly. The microphone will be in my way at that point. Okay, so I got rid of Morpher, so this shouldn't crash when one of them dies. Just need to survive long enough for one of them to die. Oh, nope, still oh, damn. Okay, never mind. Come on, die. Yeah, he died, and it crashed though. So it looks like it's a... What's the error on this one? Bone pose, morpher, private, morpher, anim node, morpher. So there's more going on than I want to have go on. It is hanging right now, look. Here, I'll pull it all the way over here so you can see it. It's hanging. So it's on a little arm. But again, if I can't really show it to you because it would be, I'd have to take off everything else. But for me to get the microphone, or when I have two monitors set up, it's gonna block it. Unless I do the monitor on the right-hand side. I guess I could do that, but then I'm gonna be looking like this when I look at the stream stuff, and that'd be kind of weird. I guess, maybe. I definitely won't be talking into the mic. Okay. I want to give you guys more than just staring at a blank screen, so. Can the blueprints merge with C++? Yes, 110%. So you can turn your project into C++, and then you can go back and forth, and you can do all that fun stuff. So long story short, Morpher is definitely causing a bunch of problems. Like the editor, no. Let me give a picture to this. Okay, how did the hammer animation? Oh, it went really well. I can show it to you. I'm just relinking up Morpher. Okay, so now that Morpher works, well, a Morpher doesn't technically work, but I definitely have a error with it. I need to get rid of, where's my on death? So until this gets fixed, I need to bypass it. So we're just gonna bypass and then unhook it. So that way later on I can get that linked back in. And what I could do to get this ready later on, I want this bone name to be a variable. So I can promote to a variable and we'll call this. Damn, dude, that's a fucking shit show up there. We're gonna promote this bone name to a variable so I can use it. And this will be on hit bone name. So that I can use this later on to get that information. Instead of linking that down there, right? I can, each on hit, I can change that. I guess that name is probably bad. That probably is a bad name for this, but then what I can do, the reason why I did that is now I can take that on hit bone name, I can get it and I can use it here. And so each time there's a hit there that updates that should reference this on hit bone name. Messer probably will want to clean that up for his own script stuff because he's got to do it, and that's fine. Okay, so I can't do anything with the Gore plugin tonight because, again, Morpher is jacked up and I'm not going to get rid of Morpher. I actually like Morpher. We're going to do it. How long did it take you to get a hang of Unreal Code? I don't code, bro. I can read it. And so that's kind of the interesting part about me is I can't like create it from thought, but I know what Messer is doing in here. I know all the things that he coded. Like, you know, this makes sense. How he did this, like how he created this function for saving the gear, I couldn't do this from scratch. But I understand what he's doing. Like he's casting to the game instance, and from the game instance, he's pulling a game object. he's pulling all this information. We spawn an actor, and this is a for each loop. So basically this is the spawning of the equipment for every single actor that's supposed to be there. And so we have a data table, we pull information from the data table, and then we spawn actors and we apply them to the character. And then we can also, based on whether or not the actor has a consumable, such as a pot, like a health pot or whatever, we take that and we apply that. And so these are all referenced somewhere else externally. Again, how he does all that, I don't know. It's a function. And I know what functions are. I have the general concept of it, but for me to code it myself, no, I'm not there yet. I get it and I understand it, but I can't code it myself. Maybe if I really pushed myself to, I could, but I kind of had a crutch. I got Mester, so I don't have to. Yeah. Well, we'll get there eventually. Okay, let me show you the animation so that way you can see it. That's what you asked about, and I elegantly ignored it. Not on purpose, but you know. So this is the boss animation. We got pretty good. He jumps and throws it down. And that's kind of where we ended off last night. And if you want to see it, let me go to, let me go somewhere that I can actually do this. Let's go to Neo Rome. And so I can actually force it to be here. Oh my gosh, I don't care. Arena old. Oh, I gotta go get my weapon. Well, I don't care. I'm just gonna show you the animation. So I'm gonna turn all this off. Oh, I don't really care about all that. So that way he spawns with it. And that's what it looks like, the animation. So if I do 3, he comes back, comes forward, bam, hits the ground, pauses a little bit. Oh, that's right. I changed that in editor. Sorry, my bad. Good call. There we go. I changed that this morning when I was editing, so not your fault, my fault, sorry. So he's gonna aim, boom, slides down, and then he's got a recovery. Comes back. Oh, he's gonna hit me. I couldn't dodge it. Yeah. You mean the slow down? I mean, we can. It's not hard. It's easy to add it in. Oh, how did I glitch myself? Oh, I pressed 3. I was like, man, how did I glitch myself? Where'd he go? Oh, he died. Wait, why did he die? What the hell? I didn't kill him. You kill himself? That's kind of interesting. Wait, how did that happen? I gotta figure out how that happened. Oh, I pressed 1. I'm pretty sure I pressed 1. No, because 1's not working here. Ow, shit. I died. Yeah, we're gonna have whoosh and slam particles, 100%. Yeah, you ain't gotta worry about that. The polish phase of this is going to add a lot of cool stuff to it that doesn't currently exist. Haha, I blocked it with my shield. No, he got me. Yeah. Can I block it? Nope, I didn't block it. He came from above. And he got me again. Yeah, so we're gonna have it to where whenever you get hit, there's gonna be a hit reaction based off of where you got hit. So you'll have like a back hit, a left hit, a right hit. And we'll add a little bit of physics to it too. So that way it's a little bit physics based as well. But that's where the animation got. It got pretty good. Like I said, I like it. And so I think it looks good. He comes back and we're again, that's the Gore plugin. I haven't been able to hit it yet, get it to work because it crashes with the Morpher. I don't have axes or spears in yet. We can do that tonight, actually. Spear wouldn't be hard to make. I just have to make the animations for it. So it's definitely doable. I gotta fix a couple animations still. But this one's fine. So yeah, we can make spears. A spear wouldn't be hard to make. Let me go open up Maya. We were talking about the door. Well, we haven't. I don't think we're gonna do ranged. We've talked about that. I don't think we're gonna do ranged. We might eventually get to ranged. I don't know. I don't have a good answer on that. I mean, yes, you are correct. Question for this is how long do we want to make this spear, you know? So a player's here, and traditionally your spear was a lot longer than the player, right? So maybe three away. And so a long spear is probably right about here. Right? So if we pretend that this is our spear, we're pretending because there's a lot more that I have to do. But let's pretend this is the spear. All right. Yep. So we grab this file, export selection. What are we gonna call this? Meshes, equipment, new folder, spears, and this will be spear 01. You could. There can be short spears. We're gonna have long and short. So the long is so that you can be super far. You know what I mean? Like that's how you do it. Hey Dev Studio, how's it going? Well, I'm glad that happened. I'm glad that my video popped on your screen. Hopefully it's a good video. Okay, so if we go to, just to see what it looks like, right? Let's add, excuse me, let me add a sword. So let's replace the training sword with that mesh. So all we have to do is just replace the training sword with the static mesh. We'll do spear. And so that's what that looks like. We'll hit compile and save. Okay. And then let's place it down. Right? And then we hit play. And so, see, like it's like super long, but I basically have it working. And all I have to do is add it. I'm currently using the software you were watching a couple of seconds ago is Maya 2024. What I'm doing right now is Unreal. This is Unreal 5. So if I wanted to fight him, I could fight him with the spear. And I just have to make the spear animation. But this is kind of long. You know what I mean? Like this is kind of ridiculous. Like really ridiculous. You can make it two-handed, sure. Like it depends on how long it is, you know what I mean? I can animate it however I want. I can make a two-handed spear. I can make a one-handed spear. It doesn't matter. It's easy. The reason why that spear would be funny is, so let's say let's take my damage. This is my damage, right? So if I take my damage capsule and I increase the half height, right? This is why the spear would be OP. And so let's say I fight that guy, right? Get my spear in here. Well, let's give him just that and start the event. Now I can basically like damage him from all the way over here. Be like, I got you, bro. You can never touch me. So that's where the spear would be OP. Especially think about like if you're the player, right? And you're chilling, and then there's like 5 skeletons with the spears, and you'd be like, no. Do I use Blender? No, I do not use Blender. I'm Maya 2024. Sorry. I'm not smart enough to use Blender. I wish I was. I wish I could. Like I really do. But I'm not smart enough. I'm gonna move this backwards because I am gonna modify this. Blender is very hard for my brain. But back to that, we are gonna go and we are gonna get a spear. I wanted to make spears anyway, so we're gonna do it. This is a torch, right? So torch, which we're technically not even gonna use. Messer convinced me not to use it. So we're gonna get rid of that. Okay, so let's kind of figure out how many players we want this to be. So that's 3 players long, right? And I think that's honestly too long. I think 3 players long is like kind of ridiculous. So maybe we do a player and a quarter, right? And so a player and a quarter, this is a pretty decent spear. Let's try that out and see what we get. Come back over here. See if this is more realistic line. I don't know why I deleted it. I was being stupid. I should have just left it. Because I still want to see what it looks like, right? Okay, let's see what it looks like. Bam. Yeah, that's better. That's kind of more the distance that I'm looking at. Like, you know, just a little bit taller than the standard player. It's a little probably too thick. I'm probably going to make it a little bit less thick. But size-wise, it's good. Yeah, it's good. So that's a good spear, right? Well, so I want to do with the spear, right? I'm gonna go probably more traditional with like, he's gonna be kind of jabby. So I was thinking about like kind of like the Spartans. They got the shield, and you could be like, Shah, and then you know, I think that's probably how I would want to aim my spears. We'll see. I think if we have the ability to trip people, that'd be super cool. So like if you do get in a group, you know, you swing it around and then you trip them. Or maybe you can do like a big, huge group thing. It just really depends on how we want to set up the gameplay for it, you know? I think a jab like that is probably the most common. And you got to be able to jab pretty quickly. But I think the difference is with the spear, you're not going to be able to lunge. Like, I'm not going to have a big... I might have it to where, like, he jumps and then spears, you know? He's like, Atcha! That might be pretty cool so that you can come over top. But spears should be pretty easy to block because I don't want it to be, like, super fast. So I think... And even if you had a spear, you can't really move it fast because of the weight and how far out it is. So spear should be pretty slow, but it's good at taking care of things from a distance, you know? So that's kind of the point of the spear. But we need to make the spear first, so let's do that. We've got the size down, right? Now I just need to get shape and structure, and so let's do that. Let's get it kind of where I want it. That comes back there. This will come up here. I kind of want to reshape that bad boy, but we'll see. Okay, I'm fine with that. We need to break it down just a tad bit where he holds it, right? We want that to flare for our style. We want this to flare for our style. Do you use Blender? Dev Studio? Chat. Okay, I'll check it out. Yeah. Those are pretty good animations. Yeah. Those are not bad. I mean, we could do them. That's kind of two-handed gameplay with it, right? It's not really Spartacus Spartan type. But yeah. Okay, so let's actually get that done. Am I sideways or top? This is sideways. Okay, I need the top one. There we go. Okay. So it's gonna be this big. No, it's gonna be that big. Yeah, it's gonna be that big. That's more realistic, right? We're gonna reduce this here. I'm gonna have this come up to about right there. It'll taper, 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 hook, come together, and down. Okay. Okay, so I'm just structuring this right now, getting this kind of where I want it. Yeah, that looks good. Oh yeah, 100%. I agree. Yeah, I definitely think there's an argument for gladiators using, you know, that structure. I agree. Okay. So this probably comes here. That comes there. Guess how much of a point do I want to make this? Oh yeah, of course. Okay, so those go together. This is gonna come here. That's gonna come to about right there. What the banana? There we go. I guess I can do this because I jacked that up. All right. Oh, crap. So once I collapse them, then I can't undo that? That's weird. All right, that's better. There we go. Yeah, so that lines up. Okay. Yeah, so that's good. Yeah, that's more accurate. I like that. Okay. Okay. So I need to kind of fix this up and make it more circular. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's get rid of this and this. Okay. Cool. Yep, I like that. And let's reduce this down a little bit more. Okay. Ow. Damn, dude, stop doing that. Okay, then I'm gonna cheat it because it doesn't want to work with me. That's okay. Let's do... Yeah, that's more... Damn. Okay, I reduced that down too much. Yeah, that reduces that down too much. Okay. And we'll do it the other way. I want to be a pain in the butt. It's okay. So grab that 0.2, probably. Yeah, maybe a little bit more, but we'll probably just move this up like that. Yeah. And then if we really wanted to get nice and fancy, I can do this. That'll give it a nice, really good shadow there. And so it kind of really makes it look nice. I don't like those hand guard. I know why I did it, but now that I've done it, I don't like it. So we're gonna get rid of it. And then I'm gonna do it the other way. Yeah, I like that better. Okay. So then we'll put some hand grips in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll divide those. I didn't see you, sorry, I'm reading. At the end of the day, whatever it wants. Forged in the great refineries. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. 0.2, no, 0.1. Yeah, that's better. Okay, with 2 segments. Cool. And then what we can do is we grab this and we shift this to component and shift that to component. Yeah, here we go. Okay, and then object. Yeah, there we go. kind of just moving it around a little bit, making it look more like cloth that's been wrapped. Yeah, okay. So that gives it a nice cloth wrapped look. And then we have that in the back. We have this. Okay, so now we need to grab that edge and push that edge in. Yes. And then I need to grab all of the edges and see what that looks like. Yeah, I kind of guessed that was going to be how shitty that was. Okay, so what if I do this? Now, okay, see you later, brother. Thanks for showing up. Have a good one, okay? Wait, why can't I go to that? I should be able to go to that. Why can I not go to that? What the fuck? Do I gotta close some loops or something? I guess. Okay, fine. That works for me. Fine, fine, fine. Okay. Okay, well, I should be able to go from that now. All right, I was like, what the hell, man? Make sure all those are combined. Cool. Okay. So we have ourselves a nice spear. It's even got a spear edge. Nice. Nice. Okay. Now the only downside is this is a hard edge, so I'm not necessarily sure I like that, but we'll deal with that in a minute. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that and that. Okay, so the goal, we're gonna do world for this one. We want to bring it in just a little bit, so that way I can really have that structure. Even those out, and that out, and that out. Okay, cool. Yeah, so that should look nice. We can then divide this up a little bit. Increase the okay, well, I guess not. Never mind. I lied. Increase the fraction just a little bit, so that way I get a nicer structure. Oh, that's why. I was wondering why it was all jacked up. There we go. That's better. We're just trying to make it look cleaner and smoother now. Which it does already, right? And then we're going to grab these 4 edges because we want these 4 edges to look nice and smooth. So we're gonna grab that, and then we're gonna do the same thing here. And then we'll do 0.3. Yeah, okay. And then we have to clean it up, obviously, so. So this creates a nice ring around there, and then we'll grab that, and then we'll double that over. Yeah, okay. Let's grab all that. Let's collapse it, 0.01. And we want to grab all this, structure it where it's flat. Oh, flat, here we go. And so what we can do, we should be able to grab this. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. Because this geo, it's not flawless geo, but it is geo. Oh, nice. Yeah, nice. Okay, cool. So it did exactly what I wanted it to do. Cool. So we get this nice structure right here. So it looks like it's still kind of like embedded in there. We can kind of modify that out a little bit more too to make that kind of better framed, but I think it's fine where it's at. Yeah, I think it's fine where it's at. I like the thickness, I like the strength. So let's get this fixed real quick. Modify freeze transformation. Set the face. Okay, so we soften the edge, but what the part that we don't want to be softened is this and this. So we want this to be a hard edge, right? So mesh display, hardnet. And so that's going to create a weird look right here, but I'm not really worried about it because again, we want a hard edge for that. And so that's okay. Okay. So let's bring this over and see what we get. Okay, that looks cool. Nice. Yeah, that looks nice. Let's do so here, here, and that's a jab. Ah. That's kind of cool. Yeah, see, so he's like way out there. Like that's almost 3 characters over. You know what I mean? Like that's a long distance. He can go crazy with that. So I think that's good. I like that. Yeah, I like that. And so that's our spear. To do that, we need to grab a primary weapon, right? And so we need to make a primary weapon. Let's do equipment. And if we go to, so one of these, like item weapon, that's the primary master of that. But I'm not going to do anything from that just yet. So I'm going to go to a new folder. I'm going to call this Sapir, right? And then we're just going to copy the sword. That way I don't have to deal with it. So I'm going to do a duplicate of this, and we're going to call this spear, and then just leave it spear. Because if it has a tag on after the end, then we know it's something different, right? And so then we'll bring that over into our spear category. We're going to move here. Okay. So we have our spear, right? And then so we want to set the default spear up. Just go static mesh, change it to spear. Pow. Okay. So we do have some things we got to modify real quick. We want the damage zone. And so spear kind of would be interesting, right? So if they get hit by the middle part, do they get damaged? That's the question, right? Like, do we damage them if they hit the middle part? I don't know, you know? I don't know if that's the answer. Like, I don't know if they get damaged by the whole thing or only if they get damaged by the tip, you know? For now, we're gonna make it just the tip. Okay, that's a bad reference. Bad reference. For now, we're going to do the top of it, because that's what we're going to do. Top of it. For now. We're gonna change this back to sword and wood. Let's throw some different music on there, because now we're back at the start of this. Let's try Neon. This is his new album. It's lo-fi. Well, whatever. We're doing lo-fi tonight, boys and girls. I'm okay with that. Okay, so I have the sword there, and then I have a spear, right? So if we bring our spear out and I hit play, the spear will have all the same animations and everything else as the sword, because that's what I set it up for. So we just need to make some spear animations real quick. We'll leave the holding and everything the same as the sword for the sake of, again, trying to do it fast rather than flawless, and then I can always add in the polish later. So for right now, we're gonna leave in the sword animation, or sorry, the sword hold animation, which is what you see right now, right? So it's the same no matter what. Oh, damn, I gotta add in a physics mesh to that bad boy. Let's do a capsule. Makes the most sense, yeah, that way it rolls. And then I think I have to change this collision. Maybe? I don't know if I have to do the collision or not. I can't remember. It's possible. I guess we'll figure it out later if I have to. But in the meantime, it's working. Okay, so then we hit play. Yeah, dropped on the ground now. Good. And it just rolls. Okay, let's fight somebody. Let's see what we get. See if I can kill him with the spear. Get away from me. Yeah. Spear is OP. Be like, spear is OP, boys. Okay, this is... We're gonna reduce this because this size is crazy. And I think we're also going to change this into an NPC, but that's besides the point. Maybe we'll do that tonight. I'd like to make it an NPC, but that means I got to make a toga. Ugh. Art. Never easy. Okay, let's see how easy that is. Got my stuff. Got my spear. Come over here. Let's start the event. Let's go, boy. Oh yeah. Oof. Okay, your Maul is way better than mine. Ah. Okay. Maul's OP. Well, I still win, bro, because I still killed you. Aha. Not really. Yeah, okay. Well, at least I know my spear is good at killing people with sticks. You know, that's a positive thing. Can I have a shield and a spear? Oh, yeah. So now I got the shield spear combat automatically. What's up? And that's because I made the spear one-handed. So I automatically, I mean, that's kind of cheap though. Like, damn, dude. I'm OP. Look at me, I'm OP. But this is spear shield combat. And imagine an NPC with this. This guy is like OP. He'd be stabbing you from far away and you wouldn't be able to do anything to him. Oh my god. Creating OP-ness. Don't like it. Get out of here. I don't like your OP-ness. That would be kind of cool though. Maybe like in the back we have a different couple of options for you that are all just there. You just kind of pick what you want. It's your starter weapon. You're like, I want this, but nah. We gotta force you to find it, right? That's the whole point of this game. This is a looter, so you gotta be able to find it and be like, hey, I found it. Okay. Anyways, so we have our spear in. We just need to make animations now. And so our animations are important. We want to make sure our animations align with what we really want spear combat to look like. And so we're gonna get 2 animations in, maybe 3. Right? And I think if he's idle, he should kind of hold it right here, right? That'd be kind of cool. Right? So he's kind of like just kind of holding it and leaning on it if he's idle. And then once he's done being idle, he'll pick it up and kind of hold it here. Or maybe he holds it like here, where he's got like one hand. It's like a cross, you know? Maybe that's what we do. I don't know. We'll have to play with it. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we get. We have the spear. That's all that matters. That's the primary concern here. We got the spear. So let's edit, delete this, and then let's make sure that we have this renamed. So this is spear tip, and then this is the spear pole, and then this is the spear. I don't know what I would call that. Tip grip. I'm gonna just give it a weird name. I don't care. Cool. So this is gonna be grouped up, and that's gonna be G spear. If I could spell right. 01. Okay, so then let's export this one more time. So that way it's accurate. I'm kind of curious what I named the other weapons. What did I do that? Did I do a W in there? No, I did it right. Okay, cool. So it's just spear. 0, 1. There we go. Easy day. Easy day. Messer's gonna be like, why are you making new weapons, Ryu? Because we gotta make them. It exists here. We need to make them. So we're gonna have a polearm, we'll have a spear, we'll have a sword, we'll have a dagger, and we'll have a shield. Daggers are cool because they're like super close and super fast, like right, like fast. And then your sword, and then your polearm, that's kind of like your Maul. That might be not a Maul, but like an axe. That's kind of like your polearm. Technically, spears could be considered a polearm, I guess, but I think they're different because they're pointy, right? Like how you jab, and a polearm is like swinging. So that's how we'll differentiate. You can have upper body, lower body, just a belt on, and so then they'll spawn with belts. Can I talk to? That's a bug. Can I start another event? I never even thought about that. Yeah, that's a bug. That's definitely a bug. Hell yeah, that's finding bugs. I don't know why I didn't think about that. Can use the lectern while in combat. Like the question is anybody ever gonna do that? But the reality is, yeah, some people might, you know? Maybe they start the match and then they run away and they're like, ah. Now, technically this should be like outside of the villa and you shouldn't be able to like do it. So that's a way we could get away with that, but I don't like doing that. I like being special, so. Anyways, so if I wanted, I could just do lower body, no helmet, and upper body. So now they get lower bodies and... Oh, and he's got a shield. I'm not winning this fight. Oh, hell yeah, I did damage to him. Yeah, so I won it because I was poking him. Pokey poke. That's kind of cool. I like it. Okay, so let's go. I'm in Maya. I'm over here like having fun, and you guys are like, "What the hell's going on, man?" Because I'm over here in Maya. I apologize. Well, just know that the fight that I just had was cool. Okay. Okay, anyways, back over to our character. So we're gonna go like we did last night, kind of get some more animations in place. To do that, we need to add in the spear. So we need to go to 0. We're gonna hide the Maul. And then we're going to import the spear. Foot ref. Okay. So import, and then just go to content meshes. Yeah. Okay. So now we. The heck was that? I don't know what that was. I keep my ear open just in case. What? Did I just create a group on a group? I just did. Damn you. What I wanted to do was I wanted to combine the mesh. What the fuck? What the fuck? What is this? Maul reference? Oh, that's the skeleton. Son of a Biscuit? Okay, I need to label that. G skeleton head. I guess that's the head. Wait, why is it invisible? Where's the skeleton? That's so weird. Okay. Yeah, I guess that's part of the skeleton head. That's interesting. Okay. Whatever. I'm glad now that I know what it is. Skeleton head. Where's the skeleton mesh? Oh, did it crash? It crashed. Man, tonight's been a night. A good start to great session so far. Sorry, fellas and ladies. I'm a disappointment. Why is it? What is it processing? Like, I don't even get what it is processing. What is it doing? I'm gonna give it another 10 seconds. You got 10 seconds, Maya. Then I'm forced closing you. Okay. You made me do it. You made me do it, Maya. I didn't want to do it. I mean, it's saying that it's still processing, but like, come on, man. Whatever. Okay. Closing Maya. Sorry. I'll reopen Maya. It's weird. Just waiting for Maya to reopen. Slow stream day. That's okay. Not every day is good. Some days are just days. I gotta fix up redirections while I'm in here. Okay. Okay, so we're on the character. Okay. So this is technically the skeleton, right? So if I turn that bad boy on, I don't know where that mesh is. Okay, so that's under mesh. Okay. Let's put that under here. G skeleton. And then this is gonna be called skeleton head. That way I know. I'm kind of trying to stay organized. That's interesting. So why is it invisible right now? Did it get ungrouped from the group? Oh my gosh. What if I get rid of my player head, player body? Okay, so my skeleton body is just like no longer there anymore. I guess I gotta go back to meshes. And then it pops up. What? Okay, fine, whatever. Whatever. I don't give a crap. Don't matter to me. Just trying to stay organized, and this is what you get for being organized. Friend, I'm gonna butcher that name. Francois Francois Baron is Maya from Autodesk. Yes, it is. Maya is from Autodesk. They are the same people. Francois. It sounds French. Hopefully I didn't butcher it too bad. I apologize if I did. Can I just call you Baron? How are you doing today? Okay, so what we need to do now... Ah, nice. Very cool. We need to kind of organize it out. So I don't need the skeleton. I need the player. Because this is going to be for the player. But what I need to do is I need to put those back into a group. So G, and this is going to be Foot pose. You new to the stream? If you are, hello and welcome. I am well. Sorry to hear you're tired. I'm just, I got home from work. I'm putting in my 3-hour stream. That way I can, you know, get some progress. Oh, why? Oh, man. Okay. Maya's not showing up. I was sitting there wondering why it's not showing up. You guys are staring at my wolf in the background. Like, what the heck, man? So I need to go to Maya. Where's Maya? Maya, and then I gotta change the window because sometimes it gets messed up. There we go. Yeah, I'm fixing it. I appreciate it. I was kind of checking the stream. I'm always looking at the stream to make sure it's good. Sometimes I get a little caught up. So, okay. So what we need to do here is I need to hide the Maul, right? We need to come back to the main area. We're going to import the spear. Because what we're doing is we are making the animation for the spear. So that way I'm not using the animation for the sword, because this is technically the animation for the sword. So we need to switch up this animation to match the spear. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so before we move on, we need to organize this out. So G spear, we're gonna just group all these together. Delete this, and it's gonna be called spear pole for the sake of calling a spear something. Okay, and then I need to show the bones. This is the funny part, is I always hide them, and then I'm like, oh, I'll never need them, and then I need them again. So then I'm gonna grab this and this, and I'm gonna go mesh or modify and match transform. Yeah, oof, that's disgusting. Okay. This is what I have got to understand. That transform is jacked up. And so because it's jacked up, I'm gonna have to rotate at 90 for all my spear animations, or I'm just gonna have all my spears facing backwards. I'm fine with having all my spears faced backwards. You know what I mean? But for the argument's sake of this, wait, what the heck? Oh, that's why. Because, yeah, okay. I mean, it's not gonna fix everything, but that's gonna fix the offset. So I'm gonna have to rotate that spear in the actual finalized version. I can't just leave it there. But for argument's sake of this one, I'm gonna cheat it so that way we can just get the animations done. So I'm gonna use 180, freeze transformation, grab this to this, and then do match transformation. Cool. Okay. And then I've been changing all my weapons to this color here, so that way I can see it very clearly. And then I need to make a new group for this. So we're going to create a new layer. This will be LY spear ref. And make it black. Okay. So that should create a good structure. Grab this. Nope. Bone. And then this. Rigging. Constraint and parents. So now I should have it ready for animation. Yeah, okay, there we go. Cool. That actually kind of works. Huh. I might have to reuse that animation. That's kind of cool. That actually kind of works. Not that one clearly, but the sweep does. Maybe a little bit of a fix. That sweep. definitely kind of works, right? Interesting. Okay, so we have a couple different ways that we can set this up. Thanks, Baron. Appreciate it. Appreciate the subscription, and I hope to see you later. Enjoy your day. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to set this up. I guess we can kind of figure out if we want this to be the starting pose for this, right? I'm not opposed. Get it? The pun? I'm not opposed to that. But that's kind of what I want to do. I don't have subscription notifications for YouTube, I guess. I need to set up my YouTube alerts. I think that's what I need to do. I'm gonna make a note for that. I'll set the YouTube alerts up this weekend. But that's okay. That is okay. Anyways, we can use this as a base for our animations, and then we can get this kind of set up right. So I think that's a good choice, right? So we'll grab the default set. I need to put this at 900. And then we copy this. This is going to go out to maybe 1,100, maybe. Yeah, that's good. Okay. We're not done with these, so I'm going to leave some space for those. We'll start this animation at 1,050. All right. So he has some weird stuff that's going on from there to here. I don't know why, but okay. There's gonna be some other stuff that happened in here. Maybe let's do this. Yeah, okay. Yeah, again, weird things going on. Let's grab, well, I got all these bones. Let's do this, and then tangents, auto, and then auto ease. Yeah, so that should fix it up. Yeah, I don't have anything happening in between those two. Okay, cool. So we're gonna start at 1050. And then from 1050, we're going to do the first one. So we want 3 animations for the spear. That way we can have some interesting spear combat. And we can go two-handed. I'm okay with two-handed. That's what Magma was talking about. So I guess we have a couple of different options. If he's gonna be two-handed, he's gonna kind of like poke and poke, right? And so I gotta kind of think, because he's got it with his right hand, and so the right hand is the back one on the spear. Or no, it's not. I guess for me, it would be the back. Like, I don't know how do you which hand goes on your spear? I don't know. I'm not a spear guy. Like, I guess I gotta Google that real quick. Let's Google it. Okay, for this one, I'll show you guys my screen so that way we can share. We can learn together. So firm-footed, lunge. These are all the spear attacks. I don't really know if that makes sense to you. Spear fighting basic techniques. Let's look at this one. So this cool guy is going to show us some cool spear fighting techniques. Okay, so that's his right hand. And that's his left hand. And so he just jabbity. Right hand. Okay. Okay. So a jab and then a come across. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. So he's gonna jab and then he's gonna come across. I like that. Okay. So what he's saying is, I'm gonna basically rotate my entire body with the spear, right? So we're gonna set this initial pose up properly. I'm gonna basically have my entire body rotated. Damn it. Let me go back there and see this. How does he look? So I have my forward foot. Okay, got it. So this forward foot needs to be forward. And the back foot needs to be back. And rotate it out. We'll rotate the knee out. There you go. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's sexy. He's doing good work. Okay. And then we'll rotate this foot forward. Center of gravity, baby. Okay. And so then his center of gravity is off here. He needs to be more there. Yeah. There we go. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Okay, cool. Kind of weird, but you know, whatever. Maybe pivot this. Yeah, there we go. Oh, wait, nope. Maybe we rotate the foot a little bit. Yeah. Okay, it's kind of wide though, right? That's good. I like that. I mean, it's still kind of wide, but maybe we bring him up a little bit. Yeah. Wide stance is good stance, right? Okay, whatever. You get it. Okay. And then this is gonna come down and it's gonna rotate. We do not want him hitting himself in the nuts, so. Yeah, that's good. Maybe out a little bit. Smooth it just a tad. Okay. There's some weighting that I gotta fix on this bad boy too. It's not perfect. It's not a perfect, flawless mesh. Okay. Set that to component or object. Same thing. There we go. Hello. Okay. We got ourselves, he's kind of holding the spear, right? And then his head should be adjusted for this. And so he's still looking kind of at you. He's like, hey, still looking at you. Just because my body's turned in a different direction doesn't mean I don't see what you're trying to do. Yeah, that's nice. He hostile. I like it. He's like super hostile. He's like, come at me, bro. Okay, that's a good stance. I like that stance. That's powerful. He's you know, making moves. He's making things feel powerful here today. Okay. So this is basically his starting stance for this combat mode. And you know, we'll have this can be his idle too. We'll be like, or I think he could like have it like here posted. I think idle posted at the side would be kind of cool. But either way, we've got a pretty decent setup here. I hate how there's gotta be some way that I can have the tools ready. Like there's gotta be a hotkey to switch from my align orientation access mode. If not, then I need to set one up on my my thing to make animating easier. Hey. See, that's why you want it, because then I can just do that instead and not have to trip on it, but whatever. Okay, cool. So that's good. That's a nice, good structure. It looks good. Okay, I like it. So now the first attack that he did is he did a straightforward jab, right? So let's watch that video one last time. He did a straightforward jab and then he comes down. I really liked that. So he's gonna do a straightforward jab. And to do that, he's not even moving. He's just staying still. Does he do it from the side? Straightforward jab. Yeah, okay. So he does a straightforward jab. And then I like how he rotated the arm. That was really cool. Just do it. Do the move, man. Do the move. Straightforward jab. Okay, you're talking about theory right now. I got it. Straightforward jab. Got it. Plunge into your heart. Got it. Okay. Jab. Okay. I don't need to see 7,000 reps. I just want to see it happen. But he does. I do like to watch him put it on his hips, right? So that's kind of cool. And then what do you do from there? Okay, so you put the jab in. I got it. I'm sure he's talking about some crazy stuff right now. Oh, nice. Okay, so he shows the second move where you basically bring it up. Okay, cool. Well, let's get the first move in first. So for him to do this in the first move, what he's doing is he's basically he brings it. Wish I could slow this down. He brings it up, right? That's all he does, and it's just like a stick. It's like pop. Okay, go to the side view. I want to see the side view. Let me see it one more time. Side view. So just both arms and then pop. That's it. This is an easy animation. Like an easy animation. Okay. Should be pretty easy. Let's do it. So let's go 5 seconds. He basically brings this. We're going to do world for this one because it's easier for me to move it around. Can I do this? Did they move together? Gosh. They move together. Pop. Pop. Okay, so that's as far out as he can go. What if I rotate? Nope, that did not work. Okay. Or at least it kind of got it there, right? Pop. It's so bad. Whatever. Let's stay 3. And then return back. Okay. So now I gotta fix the hands, right? So we need to get this as far out there as I possibly can and as straight as I possibly can, right? And obviously I can't break this homeboy's wrist. So we're gonna have to kind of like cheat a little bit, right? Okay. So with all those little tiny tweaks, we should be able to bring this more realistically. Maybe here. No, still no. Maybe world. Oh, there's the world. There we go. Kind of close. Ugh, disgusting. I want to go as straight as we possibly can, up and out. And that's about as... That's such a up wrist, man. See how I can help it with this. Can I then do this? This hand is so jacked up. There you go. Okay, that's better. That's better. Nice. It's not going to be flawless, but again, it's not AAA either, so anybody who yells at me and is like, this isn't the best animation, I'll be like, screw you, it's not AAA, bro. I mean, it's good. That's good. I like it. Okay. Okay, so let's see how this looks. Sha. It keeps it there for a second. Sha. And then he brings it back. Copy. Paste. So we gotta fix that. Tangents. Auto ease. Cool. Let's see how that looks. So he's like, yeah. It's pretty easy, right? So the only problem is I need to so this is facing up and down. So this needs to rotate this right here. Oh, come here. it needs to rotate up and down as well. Okay. And so then there's a problem with this half mark, right? Because he basically goes out. But I got this half mark where it's like jacked up. So I need to switch this. I need to kind of rotate it that way. I don't really know. Maybe. Damn it. Okay, let's think about the arc. So he comes out and then goes over. So this needs to go not that way. It needs to go straight. So I need to rotate it this way. Yeah, like that. Okay. Damn you. Okay, that's better. Nice. Okay, so we have our first animation. Nice. Nice and easy. So he's like, shit. So he's aiming for the head at this point, right? So like that's where I'm aiming for. Now we could tip him a little bit, right? And so maybe let's go delete that. Let's go here. Let's tip him a little bit. Let's do world. So that way I can tip him down, right? Yeah. That's directly in front of him. Not sure I'm a fan of this. Stays there, right? And then he comes back. Okay, so now let's see it. So he's like, shit. That's why. So let's do 165. 1065. Okay, let's play it. So the problem with this animation, this is actually good, right? The problem is he technically should bring it up first and then out. That's the problem. So he should bring it up and then out. And because he's not bringing it up and then out, we run into this problem. So I need to bring it up first and then out. So let's grab this and this, right? And we want it, this is his fully extended, right? And so we want to grab these, and we probably want to bring it here and put it there. Crap. Yeah, and we want that one too. And so it should still be the same, which it is. Okay, cool. And so what this is gonna do, let's delete those. This should just be brought backwards, right? Oh, crap. Except for this one. Yeah, we don't want that. Yeah, so this should just be brought backwards. Maybe over. Yeah. And then over. Yeah. Okay. So let's try that. So he brings it up and then out. Up, out. Yeah, that's better. Because this is a stab. Like, he's already got it there, and now he's like, eh. Okay, so let's watch it. Yeah, okay, that's better. So he's gonna bring this up. Where's his elbow at? Nice. Okay, so up, out. Yeah, okay. I like that. But now I got a little bit of a weird thing here, so I'll just have to fix it for that one. And then it tapers here because it's coming from here. So I need to have it. Maybe he comes backwards a bit because it shouldn't be like, yeah, I mean, damn it, dude. So I still like that. but it needs to be closer to him pushing it out. Yeah. Yeah, let's try that. So let's see. It's like, okay, that's better. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's better. Well, let's try it. Let's see what it looks like in game. And we'll smooth it out. So I really need that all keyed. The area that I need smoothness on is this. And I really can't smooth anything on it, so it is what it is. Okay, what about here? Nope. Didn't think so. So can I smooth anything on this? Let's see. So I mean, technically, I guess I could smooth all of this. Let's see what it looks like. Pop. Right? Yeah, so I can smooth all of that. I probably can smooth that too. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay. And I probably don't want to mess with that. This can be smooth. I'm pretty sure that can be smooth as well. But let's see. It's not bad. So I'll just counter key the hand. That's probably no bueno. Get rid of that. Get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. Nope, we want that one. Okay, cool. So just a few small, tiny updates. But this one over here is gonna definitely get keyed because I gotta counter key it to match. Okay, so oh yeah. So that works, but that is definitely not good at all. You. Nice. Okay. So let's see how that looks. He's like, yeah. That's pretty good. Yeah, it's very good. I like it. Okay, so let's check it out over here. He's jabbing. Damn. It's like, that's not good. Like he kind of like flips it, right? We don't want that. So he needs to, damn. Okay, so that needs to come, I need to break the distance. Like this is too far to that, that's too far. Like that's a lot of distance in one frame. And it shouldn't even be there. It should actually aim this way. Yeah, more like that. Okay. Maybe come like that. Save. Yeah, that's better. There's a little floppity floopity. Nice. So he stabs. Okay. Okay. That makes sense. So let's grab all my key sets. Let's smooth it. There's some weird stuff going on with that over there. Let's see how it looks. Let's let it play real quick. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Okay, so he's pulling out, pushing it, come back. That's a good jab. I like that. Okay. We could probably make it a little bit more poppy, but I think it's good. Okay, so let's export this. This is gonna be animation player. And this is going to be spear attack. And that's 1050 to 1065. Nice. Nice. Okay, let's go over to Unreal. Okay, so now we got to go to our blueprints, caricatures, and abilities. We're basically just going to copy the sword one. So we're going to do combo sword 1. We're going to duplicate this and call this spear 01. And then we're going to add a new ability. We can just, again, duplicate the already existing sword one. So we're just going to duplicate it. Rename it. I don't remember how to rename. F2. Yes, there we go. I don't think it has a 01 on it, so cool. Spear combo, cool. And then this will have all the different ones. Again, we only have, wait, how do I get rid of it? Okay. We only have one for right now, so we're just gonna get rid of that. And then the attack is gonna be spear combo 01. We also need to know the animation time frame, so that way we have a good idea of what that looks like. So we got to go to the animation itself, player, find it. Okay, and then we're going to switch this to seconds. Okay, so it's already on seconds, which is great. This is 0.62. So we do 0.62. We want this to be in the last section, so 0.7. This is when the combo would start another ability if I had one, so we're just kind of setting it up already for the next one. And then we need a montage for this. So we're going to duplicate the sword montage, and we're going to, nope, damn it. Chose the wrong one. Sorry. Let's force delete that. Don't want that. Let's go to sword attack. There we go. Okay, so we're going to duplicate that. And then we're going to call this spear attack. Okay, cool. And so then what we do is we're going to have to clear this all out. That's okay. So we'll do that, and that, and that. Get out of here, bro. Get rid of attack 3, attack 2. We're technically going to have to get rid of that as well. And then we add in spear attack. And then we need to see when we want this to be the most prudent. Okay. So as we scroll through, he's kind of bringing it up now. And I would say here, so the spear is actually going to have a lot of attack. So like if I hit you any part of there, you're getting hit, bro. Anytime after that, like when I'm bringing it back, you're not going to get any damage. So like, cha, cha. Okay, cool. Cool. And then we need to modify, I don't know why I closed that, because we're gonna need to modify the animation for root motion. Okay. And then we need to go to the actual weapon, equipment spear. And then on the equipment spear item, there should be some way to name what I do. I can't remember. Mester's got it somewhere, so it's got to be on here somewhere, right? So this is my despawn particle, normal despawn sound. That's fine. Replication has nothing to do with it. Render. Here we go. Okay, cool. So weapon damage. Let's keep it at 5. Let's say it is two-handed. Weapon category is spear. Luckily, he already made that. Use ability is spear combo. Locomotion blend space, so I can change my blend space for the locomotion if I want it to look different. Time on ground before destroy is 30. Item name is spear. Gear pickup, item quality is common. Equipment on gear slot right hand, that's fine. And then we should turn spatially loaded off by default. So that way I don't have to fix that with all my other sub ones. Okay. So if I did this right, and I pick this bad boy up, the moment of truth is, do I use my spear animation? What do you guys think? Scale from 1 to banana. Clearly, oh, wait. Is that my item spear? Damn it, it is. Son of a biscuit. What did I do wrong? Oh, that's what I did. No, wait, that's right. Okay, it uses item combo spear. Spear. Use ability is spear combo, right? So spear combo, that's accurate. Spear combo, weapon type spear. There's no special animations or anything else. And my idol is a run sword, which is fine. What did I do wrong? I thought I did it all right. Right? So maybe I haven't linked in the montage somewhere. Okay. Maybe I need to go to the somewhere. I gotta pull the montage. Where's my event graph? No, not on here. Okay. How do I tell it what montage to play? Maybe it's in the ability. So let's check the abilities out. And so we added our combo spear. Yeah, that's the sword. That's attack. Right there. Okay, so it's defaulted out to montage sword attack, spear attack. Okay, now let's see if I did it right. The moment of truth ×2. Aha! Aha! So my next problem is I need to have an idol for this thingy that is holding it, not looking like this, right? So I think I have to make another blend space to do that. I think. Let's look. Anim BP player 01. I can't remember where we do this. So I know it's defined here. Go there. Okay, so idle spear. Okay, so I'm gonna duplicate this. It's gonna be a 1D. What? No, I don't want that. Damn it. Idle walk run sword. So I need an idle walk and a run. Mother. Okay, so idle walk run spear. That's what that's gonna be. Okay, well, that's what it is. So basically, I just need to change the 1D of this one. So, okay, let's make that real quick. That should be super quick because I'm just gonna cheat it. Right, so I want him to idle looking like this. And so to do that, we're gonna go back, let's say, again, I'm gonna cheat this just so I can cheat it. We're gonna say 10 frames, maybe do 30 frames. Because that way I can get 10 of him, like kind of like up and down, okay? So 30 frames would be 1020. Come back, and probably I need 1010. Yeah, okay. So let's copy all of those, and we're gonna go back 5 frames. So that's 45. Paste, go back 10 frames, so that's 35. Paste, go back another 10 frames, that's 25. Okay, paste. So idle will be here. Okay. So idle would be here. So basically he's just gonna lower his hips. Yeah, we'll make this just a simple idle for right now. Let's grab this. And oh crap, I didn't mark this. I didn't mark any of this out. Let's do that now, so that way I know. So this will be idle spear, or let's do spear idle, so that way it puts it all together. That's gonna be 1025, and then that'll be 1045. Okay, create, and then we'll do the attack one. So this is going to be spear attack 01, and that's 1050 to 1065. Okay, great. So now export selection. So we're going to do idle spear. And that one's gonna be 1025 to 1045. So let's save that real quick and then head back over to Unreal. Okay. And so in my 1D space, I need to get rid of my idle there, and I need to go to my idle spear. What? Oh, no, yeah, that's a spear tag. There we go. I'm a spear. There we go. Okay. So as I progress forward, if I'm walking, he doesn't care. We'll fix all these later. Again, we're just setting and prepping. But I want to make the idle with it a little less jaunting. So it's kind of basic, but it'll work. Okay. So come here. We need to set our idle to spear. Compile, save, and let's check it out. Let's see what we got. Aha! Yeah! Look at that. That's nice. It's not flawless, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, let's fight. Let's fight. See how well I do. I got one attack and one attack only. Let's go. Oh, he's got a stick, so I'm good. I'm good. Oh, I missed. I didn't miss there. I didn't miss there. Haha. I missed. So this is a pinpoint, like you got that pinpoint accuracy on this bad boy. But I can do it from far away, which is nice. Yeah, that's nice. So we'll fix the run, because I shouldn't, be running around with a spear like that. Let's like hit walls and everything else and be like, what's up? Ting, 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 ting. But I do have a nice spear now, and I can. Now we can make it a little bit snappier. What do you guys think about making it snappier? Let's do that. Just to test it out real quick. Let's see what it's like a little bit snappier. Right? So if we do 1.3, what does that change the time frame to? Still 0.62, I guess. Okay, that's kind of interesting. Did that change anything? Did that montage change? I guess not. Just making it snappier, I guess. I mean, it technically should have made it shorter. Yeah, I say we should be making it shorter. Is this in seconds? Yeah, it's in seconds. So this is now 48. Yeah, 48. So I got to change the thingy to 0.48. 0.48, or it's not going to work right. Okay, let's see how snappy this is, and snappy pappy. That's nice. I like it. It's nice. Nice. Okay, let's try it out. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I got a stick guy again. Ah, oh. I gotta figure out my distance. Yeah, because if he's too close, I don't do any damage. Yeah. So what we need to do is this basically, oh, I was like, is this basically the same song? Let's try Secluded. That's my only problem with stream beats. I love it, but they're all the same song. Like, they're not different. The same song. It did not change. You know what I mean? Like, okay, whatever. Okay, so I definitely don't like the fact that he could be inside of this and not take damage because the tip of the spear didn't go through. So we're just gonna, man, this is gonna make this thing OP as fuck. Like, this thing is gonna be OP. We're gonna have to make it slow. Maybe like maybe I do make it slow. I mean, you definitely can't lunge with this. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not gonna let you lunge. Like, you're gonna stop. Cause I can basically be all the way back here. Eat it. You got nothing on me, bro. Yeah, that's OP. That's like super OP. Let's go straight. Let's go see if I can kill a shield guy. What time is it? 8 o'clock. Man, I'm almost at 3 hours. Nice. Okay, let's try this guy real quick. All right, yeah, you want to get me? Yeah. Nope. You ain't got nothing on me, homie. How am I missing? Oof. It's very specific with distance. Yeah, it's very specific with distance. Like, you have to know just the right distance. Did he glitch out? That's kind of interesting. He like glitched out. Okay, what's going on there? Oh, it's just shy. Okay. Oh, I just shy. Now that's in there. That is in there. That is in there. What is going on? Oh, if that, no, it's been doing it with a capsule. There's no way. No way. That's actually cool. Like, that's actually cool. What if you miss? You're like, you're trying to get the skeleton and you miss. And so you're like, I didn't hit him. Why didn't I hit him? Because you went in between his bones, bro. Like, that's some horse crap. That's a good photo. Can I decouple? Let me decouple. Yeah, I'm gonna back up a little bit. That's funny. Increase field of view. Let's see. Let's get a nice screenshot for today's stuff. I'm not gonna mess with color balance. Focal distance. Let's do that guy. Yeah, we want that guy. Yeah, there we go. Let's go f-stop 2. Let's go to 2. Yeah. If only real cameras could ever do it. Like, this is a badass action shot. You're like, action shot. We don't want chromatic aberration. We do want some vignetting though, you know? Sharpness. Let's get some sharpness in there. Yeah. Brightness. Let's bring that down just a little bit. Temperature is fine. Tent's fine. Nope, nope, nope. Let's see. Can I get rid of my saturation? I like my saturation where it's at. Contrast. Let's do a little less contrasty. Gamma. It's nice. Okay, let's take a picture. There we go. That'll be a good picture. I like that picture. That's a good, like, a good example of what we did today on the stream. I like it. Okay. So long story short, that thing is, it's good, but there's some interesting, well, okay. So I wonder if that happens with the normal non-skeleton, right? Is there a chance where I'm like not doing damage? No, he took damage. He took damage. Okay, I missed. Oh, I'm dead. Aha. Nope. Dude, these spears, okay, so they're kind of OP, but in the same aspect, they're also not OP. Like, I'm under his armpit and homeboy didn't take any damage. Leave me alone. You gotta have like a knockback. Like, why there was no damage there? Why? You know what? I know why. It's because I set the damage time frame. No, I mean, it's still pretty good, I guess. Maybe right here is where you gotta turn it on. Oh, I'm an idiot. I did attack end. Son of a bitch. My fault. I switched them up. So I was wondering, I was like, what the banana, man? I should be getting some damage on this. Okay, well, I fixed it now, so let's try it now. See if, now it's probably gonna be OP. Oh yeah, it's OP. Yeah, that's OP. Yep, that's OP. Yeah, it's super OP. That's super OP. Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go fight a skeleton now. Let's see if I can skip the bones. Yeah. Oof. Okay, come here, boy. Let's go. Oh, it's a human. But I'll take your armor. Nope. 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 This is called kiting. I'm just gonna kite you. Yeah, you wanna try to get close to me, huh? Hey. Okay, spears are OP. They are officially OP. So I'm gonna have to delay like the recovery, because otherwise I'm just gonna be like, Ooh, okay, well, Mauls can cover the distance. Not perfectly, but pretty damn well. Oh, damn. Okay, yeah, he got me. Yeah, nope. I got you, bro. Damn, that hurt. Okay. Where's the skeleton at? Give me a skeleton. No, I want a skeleton. I don't want you. Get out of here. No, I'll go where the skeleton. I know where the skeletons are. We'll come over here. I know there's skeletons over here. Okay, let's try our luck on a skeleton. Let's see if I can do well. So they don't know that I'm here. That's the best part. Oh, now he does. The best part is we don't do damage to, or we don't indicate damage, right? Oh man, if he comes at me once, I'm dead. I got to time it right. Nope. Oh, he should have killed me there. Haha. Got you. You ain't ready for me. Okay, I got some more life. I can now try this next guy. Let's try him out. Oh man, he's a Maul guy. Oh, he's a Maul guy. Oh, nope, I made a mistake. Timed it wrong. Okay. I'm definitely not gonna be able to get over there before my shit despawns. No! Even if I cheat. Let me try to get over there quick before it despawns. No, 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 I'm too fast. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Yeah, okay, I got it. Aha. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Why? Oh. Okay, why was that not? Oh, no. Oh. Oh, I went over his head. I have to aim kind of towards the left. Oh, he's trying to run away from me. Get it. Oh, he dodged. Oh, he took a potion. He took a heal potion. This is not good. Okay. That better? No, it's not better. Damn it. I thought I got something better. I got some better gear. Oh crap, there's a guy fighting me on behind. I don't want to fight him. Man, it's a clear night. Clear sky, clear night. Ooh, that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be pretty. Okay. Yeah, it's a clear night. Very nice. So I need to make basically the run with the spear and the holding and what that looks like. That's the next thing I need to do. That way it's not so weird when you're running with this big long thing. It wasn't so noticeable with the Maul, even though I still needed to technically do it for the Maul as well. We'll kind of polish those out. I'd like to do, so we're at what, 2 hours and 30 minutes. So I'd like to do the second animation with the spear where not only do I like kind of pokey, but I do what that guy did. So he poked and then he swung, right? So he jabbed, took his arm up and then came back down. And I kind of like that. I think that's a really cool movement. But I do need to go to the bathroom. So take a quick break. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Look, night sky's out, clear sky. Look at that, so gorgeous. Should have set that up as a picture right there. Too bad he's dark. Need something to light him up. Works here. Maybe like this, yeah. Kinda cool. Gotta get the night sky in there. So many good picture moments. Anyways, okay, so we basically finished off that. We just need the animations for it. Yeah, we just need the animations for it. So yesterday we did the Maul, and so we got the nice boss Maul. What the heck is going on with that? Why is that? What kind of physics is going on with this? That one worked. What is going on? Yo, that's some crazy physics, homie. What? The dancing spears? This is gonna be a thing. It's gotta be a thing. It's gotta be. Like, people are gonna be like, oh, and that one went through the ground. Of course, of course. I'm over here trying to do some cool shit. Fine, whatever. Okay. We'll have to figure that one out. That's crazy. What the heck? Like dancing spears? Like, what the... Okay, whatever. Is that... Let me see if that was... No, that's a thing. Look at this. I'm a spear master. I'm using physics to make this spear do its thing. If only logic really worked this way. Like, I don't... What is happening right now? And then it just like rolls in the corner. I'm confused. Okay, whatever. So let's check that out real quick and see if I can fix that. That's some weird shit. So if I go to this spear, static mesh, what does the collision look like for this? I guess I gotta show my collisions. There's no way, dude. I don't get it. I don't get how that worked, but okay. Maybe we add another one that has like weight or something. Like, is that how that works? Because this doesn't make any sense. I don't get how that works, but okay, whatever. Because I can do mass, right? I think I can do mass. Contribute to mass. Yeah, so there's a thingy for it. Contribute to mass. Interesting. That's really interesting. I'm sure people will find it, you know, and then they'll be like, "Hey, I'm the magical spear bender." What if? Okay, let's just try it. What if? What if I'm the magical spear bender? Like, right? I'm like, ugh. Yeah, where's the other one? Where'd it go? What? Come on. Oh, I get it. Because it's using the motion of the upwards portion. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Look at me, I found the bug. Okay, I gotta get them all up there again. So, right there. Yeah, see? It's using the upward motion of the run to do it. Oh, damn. Gotta get my run right. There you go. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I'm a spear bender. Yeah, what's up? It makes no logical sense, but well, so I mean, I'm just standing here and it does it still. I don't get that logic at all. Okay. Anyways, that's probably something to do with how Mester like decides to throw it out. Like he throws it out and adds probably some kind of spin stuff instead of just like letting it go. Anyways, okay, let's focus. So we have one more spear attack to do, and then we will be done. I think I'll call that a stream. So let's go spear attack. Let's go spear attack. Okay, so we did the spear idle. That's obviously not going to be the final version, but it is what it is right now. Okay, so let's go out. This was 65, so this is 15 frames. Let's go out another. I'm going to extend this because that thing is OP as like it's OP. So let's do 1075. Right? And so that comes out another 10. That's probably too long. I definitely don't want to do that. But if I do this, right? So this is where this is. And if I just take this and cut, so that's 60 to 5. So if I do 5 to here, yeah. Okay, so he's like, it's still not perfect. Damn. Okay, well, I was close. So do 1050 to 1070, right? Let's see what that looks like. I just need to fix the glitchy like blah, blah, blah. Because it like tries to rope it, right? And that's part of his hand doing that. So let's do this and see if that fixes it. I doubt it, but you never know. No, it did not fix it. So we'll have to fix it ourselves. That's fine. Basically, we want to go from there to there. So we're just going to get rid of all these frames right here. So he's going to go from there back to here. And we just need to make that look smooth. So he jabs and then comes back. So before we finalize this, I want to see how, I know it does a little twirl spinny thingy, and that's fine. But before we finalize, I want to see how this looks in game, if it feels okay. So we're going to go File, Export Selection, and then we're going to go to, where's my spear attack? So we'll do 1050 to 1070. That's cool that it framed it correctly. Come back over here, and we're just going to hit it up, see what it feels like. Because I made it, oh, I gotta, damn it, I forgot I gotta fix everything. So I made it, let's go back to 1.0. And then I gotta open up the montage, right? Yeah. And so that time frame's jacked up now. And then I do my spear attack. Shut up. Okay, so start is somewhere here, so it's like so start is there, and end is like somewhere there. Let me get rid of this track. Yeah, okay, cool. And that changes this time to 8.5, right? So this montage is now 8.3. 0.83. So this is a longer skill. Okay, so let's find out. Ooh, if that's another bug I just found. Nice. Oh, that definitely keeps me, that is, oh man, that definitely opens me up to getting jacked up. Okay, okay, so that's good. Let me write that bug down real quick. Running and talking to the lectern makes you keep running. Yep, okay, cool. Got that bug figured out. So yeah, that definitely does that. So let's speed this up to 1 point. Wait. Did I just make this? Oh, that's the blend out time. Okay. I was like, did I just make this? Okay. Let's go back to my animation for the spear. Let's do 1.3. What does that change the montage time to? No, it's definitely not that. I just changed it. It's like 1.3. No, what? Did I not just change it to 1.3? What did I change to 1.3? Oh, crap. I don't know what I changed to 1.3, but I changed something to 1.3. That's the start. Bam. And that's the end. Yeah, okay, that's good. So let's do save on that. Yeah, I don't know what I changed to 1.3. I changed something to 1.3. I'm gonna figure, I guess I'll figure it out later when I'm like, why is this 1.3? Run rate scale 1.3, 1.0. I know I changed it. I'm gonna have to go watch this stream later and be like, where did I change something to 1.3? Okay, so that's at 2 minutes and 51 seconds. So I'll go watch this stream later and be like, oh, that's what I changed. Oh, idle spear. Never mind. Haha, I don't have to do it. I figured it out. There we go. Nice. Nice. Okay. Anyways, back to the montage. So this puts this at how fast? 0.62. 0.62. So what's the save time for the combos? I guess that's everything else. So Maul combo, punch, and sword combo are pretty fast. Oh, sword's even faster than a punch? Oh, I gotta fix that. I gotta balance that out. That's no good. But that's kind of interesting to kind of plan these out like that. Okay, so let's save all these abilities and then let's go try this out real quick. So I'm kind of vulnerable, but not flawlessly vulnerable, right? Oh, nope, I'm definitely vulnerable. Yep, especially for a Maul. He can get me, and I'm only doing 5 damage for his 10. Damn, that was close. Oh, I'm dead. I don't even know why I was doing this. Oh, he's naked, so he should have no life. Yeah, Maul actually exposes you too, but it does a decent amount of damage. So the collision for the Maul is like that whole area. I'm kind of curious if we make it to, well, I know why I did that. I remember because they were getting too close. Yeah. So yeah, we'll keep it that way. Yeah, Maul's good. Oh, he's got a shield. Did I choose champion? That's OP. The fact that he has a shield is OP, bro. Oh, he's not really using it to block, though. If he was blocking, it'd be a different story. But he wasn't blocking, so... Haha! That's what happens when you don't block, homie. And I said it's two-handed, so you can't one-hand it. That's nice. Okay. Good to know. So I just need to fix the guidance of it. How does that look there? Yeah, so he does like a... That's good. Yeah, okay. Let's check the animation one last time. So it brings up and then out. So I wonder if I can come straight up with it. This is why these tweaks, these animation tweaks are silly, because I'll be here for 10 years, man. Okay, so what if I bring this guy up, right? Am I set to world right now? I am, okay, good. So I can't really go back further. Like, my wrist is broken at this point. You know what I mean? Like, but I guess I could. Let's do a save. I'm just gonna try it out. So what if we said it was here? He's like, yeah, that does look way better. But like his wrist is like broken at this point. Like, it's broke. Has a broke ass wrist. I can't even do my wrist like that. So to do this, I would have to like, I could do my wrist there. That's like the legit place that I could do my wrist. Jesus. Yeah, so I would have to, this is the furthest that I could break the wrist. And so from there, I'd have to like rotate this up and then out, maybe? We're getting weird with this now. You know what I mean? Like, and then this is coming over here. And then I'm still breaking my wrist. I gotta rotate it down. That looks like that hurts. That's all I gotta say. That looks like it hurts. And I'm still doing it, even if I do that. So I probably would just be better off by, again, just doing this and saying, yeah, this is what this looks like. Deal with it, dude. So how does that look? Let's see what this looks like. He's like, he brings his wrist in, which is accurate. I'm kind of trying to make it snappier, which I think I've done. But now I gotta fix the back arm to match all this crap. Maybe we just get one animation done today, guys. Sorry. But it'll be a really good animation. Okay. Where are we at with this? So he's gonna go up and then sha. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have to basically get rid of this, because that's where he's supposed to go, and then forward, which is good. This is good, right? And he holds that, and then we'll fix it on the way back. Yeah. That's basically what we got to do. Okay. So we're going to get this right. We're going to get this right. This has to be out here like this. Damn it. So to do this, what's it facing at already in this frame? It's already facing here, here, and then there. So I need to split the difference. Damn, this is like silly, right? You think either I'm doing something wrong with the shoulder, which might be actually happening, because I'm trying to think, right? If I'm gonna jab, okay, I got this here. I didn't do anything with my shoulder. It's all elbow right now. My shoulder is not doing anything at all. And so if I'm gonna jab, I kind of am moving my shoulder in, and then, but I'm not doing, I guess I am lifting my shoulder up and then going out, I guess. Kind of. So up and then out. So maybe that's where I'm getting this wrong, and that's why it's creating that torque, is because I don't have a good shoulder movement, right? So my shoulder should be kind of flexing this. I don't want to delete this though. Fuck. We'll be here for like another 4 hours. I don't need that. Nope. We're gonna have to go with the 90% solution or 80% solution. I don't care if it's bunk right now. We just need an animation in place, and then we can fix the animations up later. I just want to fix this one last part, right? So this is his idle. He's gonna pull it over, and then he's gonna jab, and then he's gonna go back. So I don't need to split the difference there, right? Because he's just gonna jab back over. I guess I can kind of split the difference. Yeah, that's kind of good, but he's still doing like gymnastics with the thing, you know? Let's see what an auto ease does to it. It's not too bad. So let's see, it looks like from the right. So from the right, it looks okay. What about from the front? I mean, I will never see it from the front, but as a player, this is what you're gonna see. Or maybe at the right-hand corner like this. And you might tilt it. So yeah, that's fine by me. That's fine by me. I'm fine with that. So then we got to counter key the second hand to match it. I think it's kind of already there, but maybe it needs a little bit of adjusting. So yeah, it definitely needs some adjusting there. And then there. So there it's fine. There it's fine. We're pushing. It's got a little bit of clipping, not a big deal. And that comes back all jacked up. So we gotta fix the back part. Okay. So That was kind of easy. We're just gonna have some clipping. I'm okay with that. Okay. Okay, so that's good there. Now what's the problem here, right? So we come here, and then it does this weird, like, he brings it in and then over. I don't know why he brings it in. So he doesn't need to bring it in. We do that, right? Yeah, there's a little bit of weirdness right here. Oh, I mean, kind of. Yeah, so like it does like this weird thing where it like loops around. I think it's the twist, because it's twisting back itself where it needs to go. So that everything arm-wise looks okay. So we come here and then back, but it does like a twist. Okay, whatever. So let's bring this down. Yeah, so it's this. I think it's this. Because it's going from there to there. And I think that's a pretty radical one. Yeah. Crappily. So this should only be sliding up and down though, but I mean, I guess it's kind of like trying to fight itself. So let's find that halfway point and see if there's anything that we can do to kind of help this. So what if we tilt this just a tad? No, fuck. Oh, that's not what I want to do. But that's what it is. So if I can come in here, grab the object, we'll tilt this just slightly, yeah, to keep that here. Okay. And can I keep this kind of there? Oh no, I don't want to do that. Or maybe, I guess. Yeah, I guess I can kind of tilt it that way, right? Okay, that doesn't look too bad. Let's try it. Take a look. Pop. So it's a little bit of bobbing and weaving, but not much. Let's try this. Let's see if there's anything I can clean up here. Tangents, auto, ease. Let's try the translation. Right, that I can get rid of. That I can get rid of. Need that, not so much. I can get rid of that, I guess. Damn, I don't know. That one I'm gonna have to keep. I think I can get rid of this one. Nope, that's gonna create some weirdness. Okay, well, let's check it out. So he jabbity, jabbity, jabbity. Nice. So, I mean, that's kind of, it's not flawless, but it's okay. Let's see how that looks. So he picks it up. Bam. It's definitely poppy. It's like pop, 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 pop. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, so the next question is, do we stomp? Right? Do you think the foot should stomp here? And I think the answer to this question is yes. Right? So he just lifts it up slightly. Okay, so how does that look? He puts weight down on it. And then he's going to have to come, his hips are going to have to come back. So from here to about here, he's going to put hips over here. Yeah. Yeah, I like this. I like that. Yep, I like that. That's good. That's a good choice. Okay. Let's grab all keyable members. So we were going to do another animation, and I totally wasted our time by fixing up this one. But this is a much more polished animation, I think. It looks better. $10.50 to $10.70. Okay, let's go check this out. See what this looks like in the actual editor. Okay, so we need to just check the montage real quick so that way everything makes sense. So this is my up. This is my beginning of the jab. That's when I'm bringing my jab back out. Yeah, okay, let's check it out. I like it. So I might, because of the way that this works and how we're over to the right a little bit, I might have him kind of jab more towards your, because he doesn't do that, right? So maybe we have him jab more to the right. Okay, let me fix that real quick. You guys aren't going to see this fix. I'm just going to fix it. So yeah, okay. Let me exit this. I'm just exporting it real quick and fixing it. Attack, yes, okay. This should be a quick fix for it. So I'm kind of, instead of going directly forward, we're going more towards, yeah, we're going more towards where your arrow is. So if I do this, this is where I'm aiming. And so where I'm aiming is it's going to be more likely to hit. So let's try that out. Yeah, that's better. It's just slightly off to the left. So let's fix it just a little bit more. Oh crap, I gotta make sure I save that. Oh damn. Oh dip. I don't know why that mattered, but okay. So that's good to know, because I might have to do that for the Maul as well, now that I'm thinking about it. Maybe, we'll see. Oof. Eat it. Yeah. So I should hit it right there. Yeah. It's pretty close. It's just below where I'm aiming, because I can't actually do an aim offset for that. That's interesting. Ooh, what if we do an aim offset? That's gonna modify all your animations though. Future questions, but in this case, like, the point is that I get it. It should be aligned more or less with my cursor, which it is. Whereas if I grab this, right, that's kind of off to the right, like by a lot. Interesting. Well, food for thought, and let the players figure it out. They'll tell me what they do or like or don't like, and I'll figure it out. Because I think we're probably gonna have to do an aim offset. I think that's the answer. I don't like the idea of an aim offset, but I think that might be the answer. Because we're doing root motion. I don't know. You know, maybe we just say, hey, it is what it is. If you hit, you hit. Now, what I want to see is the ability for this damn lectern to spawn things, right? And so opponent modifiers, weapon modifiers, NPC evacatatis. So what I need to go is to my NPC evacatatis, this thingy, and then somewhere down here there's a data table. Yeah, okay. So a data table for weapons, right? And I'm gonna open this, and the data table for the weapons is sword. I got a sword, and a Maul. So I need to duplicate this entry, and I'm gonna choose spear. Now we're gonna see, it should work where he spawns with a spear sometimes. And if all I do is restrict the ability for a spear to happen. Oh, he got a spear, bro. Yeah, let's do spear combat. So we need to make sure we have distances for the weapons. So the weapons need to do ideal. Weapons need to define the distance ideal for attack. Man, we're learning so much today. Okay, let's try him out. We want to go spear guy only. Ah. Wait. Why doesn't he have a spear? He's spawning with nothing. What the fuck? Why is he spawning with nothing? Why is he spawning with nothing? Yo, he doing the splits right now. What the fuck? What is it? Is it spawning more than one? No, spawning Evocatus, right? It should be spawning an Evocatus. What did I do wrong? Evocatus weapons. Let's just do this. So I have a spear, right? I got a Maul. Yeah. So what did I do wrong? I'm just gonna clean up this table while I'm here. Yeah, what am I doing wrong? Oh, I didn't check it out, that's why. Wait, what? Did that just change? What did I just save with that? Oh my gosh. Please stop clicking shit. I don't know what I just changed. Okay. This should spawn only spear. I got it that one time. Why is he spawning with no spear? It's not spawning an Evocatus right now. So what is it spawning? Oh, did I choose champ? No, I didn't choose champion. What the fuck? Is this thing bugged? Oh, that's the champion class. Oh, okay. Oh, training. Okay. Oh, so that's the widget class. Okay. Where do I define the damn player that I spawn? Opponent modifiers? That's no. Allowed weapons, allowed gear. Opponent's data table. Okay. So sometimes I could get a trio, or sometimes I could get an Evocatus. So I need to go to trio. Where's my trio? We're making changes today. Scroll way the crap down here until I see this. And then trio weapons. Okay, so stick, a sword, a Maul, and then this one's gonna be a spear. Okay, cool. Got it. Okay, so now I should have fixed it. Yeah. Hell yeah. Other than the fact that the spear's like going all over the place because we're, you know, not there. Okay, what if I just do start? Let's do this. You spawned with a stick. Oh, we got a Maul this time. You're not good enough for me, bro. Oof. Yeah. Eat it. I'm pretty OP with the spear. That's all I'm saying. I'm pretty OP with the spear. I think I made the worst balanced weapon in the game now. I still have to fix the sword animations. Okay, well, while we're here, that reminds me, I need to fix the punch animations because I made modifications earlier and I wasn't thinking about it, right? Let me save the trio. Did I not save the trio? I can't remember if I did or didn't. I didn't. Okay. Well, I didn't really modify the trio. I just modified his data table, right? Yeah. Whatever. It's okay. It's okay. So then we're gonna go to do I want a skeleton to spawn with a spear? I do. Yes, I do. I do. So I go to skeleton. And then weapons. Duplicate. You could spawn with a spear. Okay, where was I going to go with this? I was going to go check out the montage times for the punch, because I think that I changed that. Yeah, I did. Okay, so punch is only 4:8, right? And so in my combos, I need to change these because my times aren't there. So that's 0.48. And then what's my second time? That's got to be 0.848 as well, right? Yeah. Should be the same. So, that's combo time is 0.48, 0.48. Okay. 0.48. So that makes the punch the fastest. My sword combos, I think I sped up sword 2. So let's look at my sword. No, they're at 0.62 still. Okay. Sword is at, yeah, sword is at 0.62. Damn, that's slow. Because that's as slow as the other ones. That's as slow as the spear. So punch is my fastest. Spear is 0.62. Maul is my slowest. Yeah. Okay. So let's look at the Maul one. This is in seconds, right? Yeah, okay. So my Maul attack 3. Maul attack 1. Yeah, I'd have to do the math on that one. I don't want to do the math on it, so that's for later. Okay, I fixed the other 3, so let's grab this. Let's see how fast the sword is now. Yeah, so that's accurate now. Yeah, punching is fast, bro. Oh, I can punch all day. See, I'm gonna punch him right here. Okay. Pop, 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 pop. I think I made it punching move too much. Maybe we don't make punching root motion. That's an interesting thought. Right? So what if I change my slot to pelvis? And then I change each one of the animations. Where's my punch animations? I get rid of root motion. Shouldn't stop me. Why is it stopping me? Damn, I don't remember how we did it before. But I want to make it to where I can run and punch. How do I do that? I don't remember how I made it run and punch. So the montage is fixed. Yeah, so I'm still punching, but I need to run. I need to run and punch, man. My ear itch from having these headphones on for too long. Okay, we gotta end the stream soon. I'm getting well past time. Okay, so let's just see if I can fix this real quick. So allow frame stripping. What did we do before? Use normalized root motion scale. Is that what a default animation has? Okay. So what did I do different about punchable, right? Is there anything with root motion in here? No, because I got rid of it. I set it to pelvis. Is there something that I modified in this skill to make it root motion? I'm trying to think. Damn. Only I can remember how I set this up. Is it in the blend? It probably is. Is there something that modifies? What's the warning? Oh yeah, whatever. Oh, I can get rid of this. Totally forgot. No, none of this is. No, none of that's what I want. I don't know where I set it up. Maybe it's in the skill. Is it in the skill? Is there an option in the actual skill to make it root motion or not? Here's a targeting mode. Nice. Nice. Yep, I don't know how we did it. Because it should be, yeah, it should just be that. That's the answer. Montage default group slot. And I said I want it to be default pelvis, not default root. So and that's what's happening. I'm only blending the root, but I'm actually stopping the player too. So I'll have to ask Mester. He can probably tell me. Because I want to be able to run. I want to be able to punch and run. I want to be able to be like, pop, 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 pop. I think that's like the only one that you should be able to run with. All the rest of them, you like gotta be stuck. You know what I mean? But punching should be a thing. What if they spawn with nothing? Do they punch? No, they don't punch. Okay. So I need to put that in there as well. Man, we got lots of bugs. NPCs that spawn with no weapons should punch. Right now he just tries to hug me. Okay. Well, I think we got to where we can, the best spot that we can. We got the spear in. We didn't get the second animation in, mostly because I was busy trying to mess with things. So, wait, animation slot managers. Yeah. Okay. Whatever, Kappa. So we basically got the spear in, which is nice. That's a brand new weapon. I think we only have one other weapon that I really want to add, which is the daggers. And so we're gonna have to make the daggers. Those are gonna be, maybe tomorrow we'll make those super fast animations. Well, I got homework tomorrow, so I can't stream. I should have done my homework tonight, but how it goes. So I probably won't be streaming tomorrow, but the next day and the next day and the next day and the next day I will. So okay, those of you who showed up and joined, I appreciate it. Again, if you're watching this after the fact and you like it, then subscribe, whether you're on YouTube or you are on Twitch, and you can follow me. I greatly appreciate it. And as we work through getting this demo ready to go, hopefully before Christmas. Okay, thanks. You guys have a wonderful rest of your night. I will see you next time.